Now it's time to replace the dumb cameras with imou Ranger 2, the 1080p AI home security camera. Ranger 2 automatically tracks and records every wonderful moment, and it knows when your baby cries.
Emma, stay away from there. Mommy's coming.
With Ranger 2, you won't get any false alert, because it identifies human beings from pets and plays a loud siren to scare away unwelcome visitors.
Alexa, show me Emma's bedroom.
At night, Ranger 2 switches to night mode automatically, protecting your home and loved ones 24/7. When you are home, simply turn on the privacy mode. Just enjoy your peace of mind. imou Ranger 2 is right by your side.